Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is unorthodox. It is pronounced un-or-tho-dox, and it's spelt U-N-O-R-T-H-O-D-O-X. Think orth, and then the letter O, and then dox, spelt D-O-X. Unorthodox means the opposite of what is usual, traditional, or accepted. For example, you could say, not wearing your school uniform to school is viewed as unorthodox behavior, as it is not how people usually dress when they go to school. The word unorthodox comes from the prefix un, meaning not, and the word orthodox. Orthodox was first used in reference to religious opinions. It comes from the late Latin word orthodoxus, meaning having the right opinion, and from the other late Latin word orthos, meaning right or true. Here are some quick facts about a very unorthodox man, Diogenes. Diogenes was an ancient Greek philosopher, and he was born in about 412 BC. Diogenes allegedly lived in a wine barrel, or possibly a kind of large jar, and made a regular practice of insulting famous figures and lecturing shoppers in the marketplace. Today we think of this as crazy, and even in those days it was fairly unorthodox. But Diogenes became one of the most respected and beloved philosophers of his time. Maybe being a little unorthodox isn't so bad after all. Unorthodox is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. If you have a generally recognized and agreed with opinion, it could be described as orthodox. For example, if I said, I love chocolate, that would be fairly orthodox. But on the other hand, if I said, I love Brussels sprouts, I think you might agree that it would be an unorthodox opinion, as it's against the commonly held view. Unorthodox is defined in the dictionary as different from what is usual or expected in behavior, ideas, or methods. Unorthodox's synonyms include different, eccentric, far out, heretical, unconventional, unusual, weird, and non-conformist. Antonyms include common, conventional, normal, regular, standard, usual, and orthodox. See if you can notice any unorthodox behavior or opinions today. If any of your friends or family do something different than what you would expect or see as normal, you could tell them that they are being unorthodox. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.